What if your next beach home offered panoramic Gulf views, a rooftop deck that's designed for sunsets and evening cocktails, your own private pool, as well as being steps away from Lake Powell and 30A's best beaches?
Welcome to today's tour of 394 Grande Pointe Circle.
Hi, I'm Andy Beal with GEA Broker. Whether you're thinking of buying or selling a piece of real estate here along Florida's beautiful Emerald Coast, I'd love to be your guide. You can find all of my contact information at this QR code or in the description below. I'd love to help you put a plan together to achieve your dreams no matter what they may be. Now let's get to the tour of this incredible property.
Welcome to this striking new construction retreat in the coveted Grande Pointe community of Inlet Beach. With panoramic Gulf views, a private pool, and over 1,100 square feet of outdoor living space, this home was designed for effortless beachside living. As you step inside, the foyer sets the tone with custom millwork and designer finishes. Here you'll also find the elevator that services all 4 levels of the home. The first level includes a spacious guest suite with its own private bath, perfect for hosting family and friends. An additional bedroom is located here as well, offering flexibility for guests or a home office. Step outside to your own private oasis, a heated saltwater pool with a dedicated pool bath, fenced yard, and covered porch. From here, you can take in the incredible balconies that extend across every level of the home. Now let's head upstairs to the main living level. The second floor features a bright, open-concept living space with coastal-inspired finishes and abundant natural light. This flexible layout makes gathering and entertaining seamless. The chef's kitchen is a showstopper, complete with an oversized island, 2 dishwashers, designer tile, and ample cabinetry, all flowing beautifully into the dining area. A stylish half bath is conveniently located just off the main living space for guests. Also on this level, you'll find a junior suite that connects to a Jack and Jill bath designed to share with the adjacent bunk room. The bunk room offers built-in sleeping space with playful style, perfect for kids or extra guests. Heading up to the 3rd floor, you'll discover even more thoughtful living spaces. This lounge area includes a wet bar, making it an ideal spot for casual gathering or a second living space. Here you'll also find a smartly designed laundry room with dual washers and dryers for added convenience. The primary suite offers a serene retreat with dual vanities, a walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired bath. A second ensuite bedroom completes this level, offering guests privacy and comfort. Finally, let's head up to the tower level. Here, the rooftop deck delivers breathtaking Gulf views and year-round breezes. With a summer kitchen and a reinforced space plumbed for a hot tub, this is the ultimate setting for alfresco dining or entertaining under the stars.
Well, there you have it. As you can tell, this incredible coastal retreat has it all. From morning coffee on your balcony to the stunning sunsets you'll take in from this rooftop deck to entertaining in your own private pool, this property has everything you would need to enjoy that beach lifestyle. If you'd like to explore this property further and see all the details about this stunning home, you can find all the information at this QR code as well as in the description below. If you'd like to schedule a private tour of this home, or you're just looking to explore what's possible when it comes to buying or selling real estate here at the beach, please reach out. I'd love to connect with you. Again, you can find my contact information at this QR code or in that description just below. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this incredible property, and until next time, make it a great day on 30A.